I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a modern C++ compiler and the VSCode C++ extension. Once installed, open the project folder and create main. CPP, this puts you in a workspace the editor can index. Make sure the compiler is on your path so tasks can call it. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+P to run the C++, edit configurations command and generate a basic tasks. JSON and launch. JSON. This gives VS Code the instructions it needs to build and run. Now you configure the build and debugger so VS Code actually compiles and steps through code. Edit tasks. JSON to call G++ with G and std equals C++17 so debug symbols and C++17 features are enabled. If using MSVC, set CL, exe flags instead. Then create launch. JSON pointing to the compiled executable, set the working directory, and choose the proper debugger. Once done, run the build task. Correct any compile error. Finish by running and testing. Use start debugging to step through code, or Ctrl+F5 to run without the debugger for quick tests. Make sure input/output works in the integrated terminal, and inspect the problems and output panels for missing include paths or linker errors. If the debugger fails to attach, confirm you built with G, that the executable path and launch. JSON is correct, and that the debugger binary is available in path. Rerun the build after any change to ensure symbols match the exe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.